I'm mad that my hair looks like this because it's pissing me off. Because, oh God, it was cute. It was cute. It was cute. It was cute. I promise you it was. It ate down. But now I'm outside and it's just not doing what I wanted to do. Crying when I'm coming home and I'm on my own. I can lie, say like it like that, like it like that. If y'all can get y'all wigs to look good, then I damn sure can get my hair to look good. No, I'm just kidding. No, but it looks good. It's not. Is there still on my butt? What is this? What is this? I don't know. Not my period. So what the fuck is that? Looks like I sat in something. Probably was in the car.
You see, you hear that call? It's a no for me.
She's not even sick though. It's not like. I'm gonna do her hair too. I'm gonna do her some
Y'all
cute
both
little.
gonna be popping?
It's the fact that this is not the style that I was looking for.
At all. But, you know, it's cute though.
It's cute. It's whatever. Soon I'm gonna get my hair braided. And I'm gonna be real cute. Hi, y'all.
She's so nosy.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
She said my phone.
My phone and snatched it real quick. My own. Somebody just said I look nasty. Okay, that's you. But you, I can still take your baby daddy though. I'm just kidding.
Jamal.
Shut up. No, Hey, do y'all know this is my eyebrow? They're tinted.
There's nothing out there.
Like,
I remember when it snowed and I tried
my
to
eyebrows
open
are
the door.
tinted, y'all. And
What?
she added extra lashes. My lash tech is the best. I promise you I'm going to get her to run her page and run it and do it up so that I can be tagging her because she eats it up
Where's her bike?
every time. Where is her bike? In the garage. I didn't want hers out here because I didn't want it to get rained on and get messed up. So I left it out in the garage. No, you're going to hurt her feelings. I'm going to have to get hers because you're going to...
Then you should get her.
Yeah, I can't walk through the house. You know I can't walk through the house with this.
Okay, so ride your bike then.
Open the garage.
No.
Oh, see, that's
No
what you
one,
know.
no one gets to bike then.
Look at her though.
I want
You
more.
done got her excited. That's so wrong. That is so wrong to get a child excited to not do something.
Look, here, hold on.
That is so wrong.
Here, hold on. Look, Tati, look at her. Say, look.
These are my pants, and if she gave them to me, that means she couldn't fit them, so I don't give a fuck. Personally. But I have a whole bunch of pants coming in the mail. So when they come, you feel me? Because I'm gonna have a whole bunch of cute ass clothes. I'm gonna be going to get up. She never wore this, so I don't give a fuck. Too. But these are cute. Hello, Tati. You are beautiful. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hey, y'all. I'm delusional as fuck. There's a stud that I really, really like. Like, really, 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 really. I'm low-key obsessed with her. I damn sure am not gonna post her. I'm not gonna let y'all see her. I'm not gonna let y'all find her. I'm not gonna let none of that. Because y'all be doing it out when y'all find people. So at the end of the day, my new fine shit is gonna be my fine shit. Get her a bike. Yeah, I am. Actually, she's really good.
Get your kid.
That's her bike. You can open the garage so I can get her bike. So we can have her bike. Because I can't go through the house with this. And I want her to have her bike. So
You know
then
what you should do?
she can play with you and enjoy her life with you. Because you're her favorite person in the whole house. If y'all didn't know, Angel is her.
No, don't do that now. No, don't.
No, you've been, but everybody's been knowing. Everybody's been knowing. Well, everybody in the house been knowing. Everybody in the house been knowing that she's your favorite. You're her favorite.
Like, oh my gosh, you make things so hard for yourself. That's
Look,
so
no,
impossible.
I didn't think that Daniel actually closed it the right way. So, are you open the garage?
Huh?
Are you open the garage? Come on. Come on. No, she has to open the garage. She has to open the garage. You want your bike? Okay. I'm coming home. Now I'm on my own. I can solve I can fly. You ready? You ready? We're gonna go in this way. Let's go. Let's get it. What? You have to go in the house. I'm back. We are back in live in action.
Bye. I unplugged her house.
Okay, go in the house,
I'm
baby.
going to bed. You don't have to go wherever she's going.
Oh, she gonna be out here with her. With her house, baby.
Oh.
Why when I'm coming home? Now I'm on my own.
You see that right there?
I can lie and say
Is that a
that's a no. That's a mosquito eater.
Oh, okay,
They
great.
don't mess with us. They only eat mosquitoes.
As long as it's not a wasp. If it was a wasp, I'm not gonna lie, Princess would have been monk. I would have to.
I can lie and say I like it like that. Baby bear, are you squeezing your Capri Sun out? That I paid a soda for?
Yeah. Dang, imagine. Check.
Wow. I paid a soda for her to have that. And she did not even care. Do y'all see how the humidity is eating up my hair? Eating it up, eating it up, eating it up. I promise you, this is not how it looked when I first did it. I have pictures. Go follow my Instagram. No, don't go follow my Instagram. Cause y'all be doing it up. And I want to be able to post my little fine shit there. Hello.
Never mind, I give up. Ride your bike.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I'm about to run her over.
No, you don't want to run my baby over. Ma'am. Look at you. Princess, your bike's right there, baby.
Get your bike, Dave.
Get your bike. Here. Give me a second. Come here, baby.
Ready?
Here. Here, get on your bike. Here, get on your bike. Get on your bike. Come on, Dickie. Get on your bike. No, you have to show her how to do it, because she ain't going to know how to do it. Come on, Dickie. Push, 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 push.
Just know how to ride your bike, bro.
Go, go.
Put your feet on the side. Put your feet on the side.
Why she think that she could just hold it in the middle?
Put your feet on the side.
Ow. I just stepped on something.
Ready?
Ooh.
Oh, I'm not even pushing her yet.
What's wrong, Dickie? Alright, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I enjoyed my time talking to y'all.
2 minutes.
Right. Yeah, I'm putting it off. And I hope that y'all enjoyed seeing my new lashes, because my lash tech is the best, and she filled them in and did her big one, and I look good. And I have my lashes done early, my lips done, and she did her big ones on my eyelash. So I love you.